Welcome back to another Fred tutorial. My name's Josh, and in this video I'll show you how to create a green filter coating using Fred's Digitiser function. So here we already have our 3D set up, and I'm just going to run it to ray trace to show you the current behavior of our filter. So due to there being no filter applied to it, just a transmission coating, when I click on the color image, we're going to get a yellow image. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a green filter coating to apply to this filter using Fred's Digitiser function. So to start, I'm going to right click on coatings. I'm going to select create a new coating. And then once here, I'm going to change the name to be green filter. And then I'm going to right click down here and I'm going to select Digitise Transmission Curve. This is going to bring up this window where we're going to start by selecting our image, which I already have chosen here as a green filter graph. And then we're going to move on to selecting the X and Y minimax points. So over here, we enter in our minimax points. It's important to note that the units for wavelengths are in microns. So we have to change our X value to be 0.4 rather than 400 nanometers. And our mid value is 0 for Y. We then select our max point, which will be here at 0.65. And we then select our Y max point, which will be up here at 1. After doing that, we can begin selecting our data. So we click select data, and then we just draw some points along the transmission curve that we want. You don't have to go crazy with it, but obviously the more points you add, the more reflective it's going to be of the coating. So I'm just going to draw it along here. And just to note, if you ever make a mistake and let's say you put a point where you don't want it, like out here, all you have to do is right click on it and the point disappears. So if you do make a mistake, all you have to do is quickly right click and that goes away. So now that I've drawn my points on the curve, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select export data, and we can see all the values now imported into this table, and I'm just going to click OK. Now after I've done that, I want to apply my green filter to the green filter entity. So I'm just going to drag and drop the new green filter coating on top of the green filter, and now it's been applied to the surface. So now when we run our ray trace and look at the color image, we'll be able to see that our filter is doing exactly what we want, and it is now filtering out all other light except for green. And there you go. As always, CBS is here to help support all Fred users, and keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this.